Mom, I wish I had abs like these. I can wear this for my wedding. Hey guys, welcome to Jkay Vlogs. Today we are going to Highpoint. Christmas is nearby. Christmas means toys. So we're gonna review some toys in Highpoint. Guys, we're in Myer, and Myer is a superstore, #1 superstore in Australia, and there is a lot of floors in Myer, and we're in the kids floor, and you can see a lot of toys around, and lots of them are out for Christmas. Look at this one. This is the Nerf section. Nerf guns are safe guns. They use air pump technology. This is the Mega Mastron. That is a girl version. It's called a Rebelli. This one is the Glow Strike. And this one's the smaller version of the Glow Strike. This one's the Monologue. And this one's the Hyperfire. And the rest are mortar guns. These make noises too. And so is this. It's really cool. This is the Star Wars section. I love Star Wars. This is the Legos. These are different ships. And here's a model here of one built with some people around that lights up. I think it's pretty cool. Here is the cars. Aston Martin, Ferrari, Lamborghini, and there's another Ferrari. I love cars too. And I really like this one, the Lamborghini Veneno, and also I like the LaFerrari. I like Minecraft Legos, and they're ages for 8 and plus, and it's like basically a war field. And these are the ones at the top, starting from here, is Lego Minecraft. And these are just Lego vehicles that you can make. Look at this cool Ferrari here. I really want this 458 Special. This looks like he's alive and he's like hugging me. And you can, if you want, you can take a screenshot of this. I love Jkay vlogs. He roared. This is this is from Lion King. Look, he can move his mouth. And you can like move your hand around him. That's what it says in the box. Yeah, here's what it is. Like, I'm not sure what it does. It says there's motion activated, and it can roar. As you can see, it just roared, and it can also leap. So that's a pretty cool toy. I recommend this. He's growling at me again. I recommend this. Okay, I recommend this for people. I recommend this for babies or toddlers or people over the age of maybe 5 or 6. So this is our little bro. His name is LUKA, and this is his friend called Fruffles. Here you go. He looks like his brother's scared of it. Okay, let's go. So, I'm going to tell you a bit about my little brother. He's very naughty. He loves these kind of toys. He's very cheeky. He's 11 years age gap from me and a 9-year age gap from Caden. He loves watching this nursery rhyme called Choo Choo TV. We're using this toy to make him follow us, or else he won't walk using our hand. So this is a cat toy that we showed you at the start. It's like a real pet, and I don't think Luke will let us go because he seems like he likes the toys. All we need to do is just touch his head and rub it. This is a great toy for little babies. So guys, we're gonna wrap up today's vlog. So if you like today's vlog, please like, subscribe and comment down below what you would like us to do next. But I don't think Luke will let us leave because he's in love with this toy. I think we're gonna have to buy it. So yeah, bye. Bye. Hey guys, we're in Myer, and Myer is a super chain store in Australia, and oh, I forgot.